Good morning students. I hope you all are doing well. This is your maths teacher Shweta Bajaj.
So students, we were doing our chapter number 5 fractions, and in the previous video we learnt about the addition of fractions, in which we learnt how to add the like fractions, how to add the unlike fractions, and we have completed our exercise 5C. Now students, in our today's video we will learn about the subtraction of fractions, in which we learn how to subtract like fractions, how to subtract unlike fractions, and we will start with our exercise 5D. But before starting, please subscribe my channel if not subscribed yet, and as usual don't forget to share and like the video, and please mention your name, class and section in the comment box for attendance. Now subtraction of fractions, and the first is subtraction of like fractions. And students, it says that for subtracting like fractions, we subtract one numerator from the other while the denominator remains the same. Now let us see this with the help of an example.
Now students, in an example, firstly I have taken question number 1 of exercise 5D, and the question says that subtract, and I have taken first part, and it says that 6 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Now students, here if you will see the denominators are same, that is 9. So we will write 9 in the denominator as it is, and we will simply subtract the numerators, that is 6 minus 2, and on subtracting we will get 4 by 9 as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Now students, next I have taken is 7th part of the same question, and it says that 3 whole 1 by 7 minus 2 whole 4 by 7. Now students, first of all we will convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions, and on converting them we will get 22 by 7 minus 18 by 7. Now students, here if you will see the denominators are same, so we will write down the denominator 7 as it is, and in the numerator we will simply subtract the numbers, that is 22 minus 18, and on doing so we will get 4 by 7 as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you.
Now the second is subtraction of unlike fractions, and it says that for subtracting unlike fractions, we first convert them to like fractions and then subtract the smaller numerator from the larger one, the denominator remaining the same as that of the like fractions. Now let us see this with the help of an example.
Now students, in the example I have taken question number 4, and question number 4 says that find the difference and write the answer in the simplest form, and I have taken first part, and it says that 12 by 17 minus 2 by 3. Now students, here if you will see the denominators are different, so our first step is we will find out the LCM of the denominators, that means LCM of 17 and 3, and that is equals to 51. Now students, in the next step we will write 51 in the denominator. Now here see students, the denominator is 17, and on dividing this LCM 51 by 17 we will get 3. So we will multiply this numerator 12 by 3, then this minus sign as it is. Now here see the denominator is 3, and on dividing this LCM 51 by 3 we will get 17. So we will multiply the numerator 2 by 17. Okay, now students, in the next step, on multiplying 12 by 3 we will get 36, and on multiplying 2 by 17 we will get 34, and on solving this we will get 2 by 51 as in answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Now students, next I have taken is 7th part, and it says that 3 whole 1 by 7 minus 2 whole 11 by 13. Now students, firstly we will convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions, and on converting we will get 22 by 7 minus 37 by 13. Now students, see the denominators are different. So our next step is to find the LCM. So LCM of 7 and 13 will be equals to 91. Now students, in the next step we will write 91 in the denominator, and here see the denominator of the first fraction, and that is 7. And students, on dividing 91 by 7 we will get 13. So we will multiply this numerator 22 by 13. Now this minus sign will be as it is. Now students, here see the denominator is 13, and students, on dividing 91 by 13 we will get 7. So students, we will multiply the numerator 37 by 7. Now students, on solving this we will get 286 minus 259 by 91, and on solving this we will get 27 by 91 as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Now students, next I have taken is 8th part, and it says that 67 minus 7 whole 7 by 8. Now students, you know that 67 means 67 upon 1. Minus sign will be as it is. Now students, we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and that will be equals to 63 by 8. Now students, here the denominators are different, so we will find out their LCM, and LCM of 1 and 8 will be equals to 8. Now in the next step we will write this 8 in the denominator, and now students, see here the denominator is 1 and here the LCM is 8, and on dividing 8 by 1 we will get 8 only, so 67 will be multiplied by 8, and this minus sign will be as it is. Now students, here the denominator is 8, LCM is also 8, and on dividing 8 by 8 we will get 1, so we will multiply this 63 by 1. Now students, on solving this we will get 536 minus 63 by 8, and on solving this we will get 473 by 8, which is an improper fraction. So students, we will convert it into mixed fraction, and its mixed fraction is 59 whole 1 by 8. Hopefully it is also clear to you. Now students, next I have taken is question number 2, and question number 2 says that subtract the first number from the second number, and the first part is 2 by 5 comma 3 by 7. Now students, since we want to subtract the first number from the second number, so that means second number will come at the first place and the first number will come at the second place, that is 3 by 7 minus 2 by 5. Now students, here the denominators are different, so we will find out the LCM of 7 and 5, and LCM of 7 and 5 will be equals to 35. Now students, in the next step we will write down 35 in the denominator, and here see the denominator of first fraction, the denominator is 7, and you know that 35 divided by 7 will be equals to 5. So that means 5 will be multiplied by the numerator 3, that is 3 multiplied by 5. Now this minus sign will be as it is. Now students, you know that 35 divided by 5 will be equals to 7. So this numerator 2 will be multiplied by 7. Now students, on solving this we will get 15 minus 14 by 35, and on solving this we will get 1 by 35 as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Now students, next I have taken is 6th part, and it says that 3 whole 1 by 2 comma 4 whole 2 by 7. Now students, since you want to subtract the first number from the second number, so you will write it like this, that is 4 whole 2 by 7 minus 3 whole 1 by 2. Now these are mixed fractions, so we will convert them into improper fractions, and on converting we will get 30 by 7 minus 7 by 2. Now here the denominators are different, so in the next step we will find out their LCM. LCM will be equals to 14. Now students, in the next step we will write down this 14 in the denominator, and for the numerator what we will do, see, on dividing LCM 14 by 7 we will get 2, so 2 will be multiplied by 30, minus on dividing LCM 14 by 2 we will get 7, so 7 will be multiplied by this 7. Okay, now on solving this we will get 60 minus 49 by 14, and on solving this we will get 11 by 14 as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you.
Now students, pause your video and note down your home task. And in your home task you have to do the remaining parts of question number 1, question number 2 and question number 4. For any doubts and queries, you can leave your message in the comment section. I hope you like the video. Thank you.